Yes, the Inspector General said in his report that was issued in April that at the time of his shooting, the time he discharged his duty weapon beneath this overpass behind me here on Campbell Avenue, neither Trooper Brian North nor anyone else on scene was in any imminent danger of serious injury or death as a result of a knife attack from Mubarak Soulemane.
Fire Brian North! Fire Brian North!
For the first time since his arrest in April, we heard from Connecticut State Trooper Brian North. Briefly.
Good morning, Your Honor. Brian North. Yes, good morning.
North is charged with manslaughter in the 2020 shooting death of 19-year-old stolen car suspect Mubarak Soulemane, who led police on a dangerous, lengthy I-95 pursuit, during which he hit several vehicles, including state police cruisers, before crashing on Campbell Avenue in West Haven.
Brian North has to be held accountable for killing my son.
Today was more of a procedural court appearance than anything else.
The first step in a long process.
A not guilty plea was entered, and the case was continued for 2 months. The next step is for all evidence to be analyzed and reviewed.
According to the Inspector General's report, North said he shot Soulemane, who was holding up a knife, because he feared for the lives of 2 other officers, especially if they tried to enter the alleged stolen car from the passenger side.
And we believe that after the jury or the judge is shown the video in this case, pictures of the truth, it will be clear that this was an execution.
While a virtual hearing is scheduled for August 2nd, the next in-person court appearance is September 15th. The family and their attorneys hoping for a verdict that will send shockwaves across the country.
To once and for all change policing culture so that shooting is not the first item on the list, it's the last resort.
And that attorney right there, Mark Ahrens, told me today that in speaking with the Inspector General, who is retired Judge Robert Devlin, who is prosecuting the case for the state, he said the retired judge told him that it's likely to be a year, maybe a year and a half before this trial gets underway. We're live here in West Haven. I'm Tony Terzi, Fox 61 News.